Hi dears, Fashion Make Designs in a beautiful sarees collections like Swagam. Nalla color shades fully embroidery work full all over heavy embroidery work design with beautiful tassels. That light and dark combinations embroidery colors combos variety of shades orchid shade, green shade, three color shades under the Matka silk fabric. Saree first color shade dark mavo shade. Pakka mavo ella, nalluru mavo similarity shade light and dark combination full embroidery work with the tassels. The blouse plain the same fabric. This is the pallu portion. Blouse back side same color blouse. This is the shade variety shade kind of soil brown type shade variety shade. Light and dark combination full embroidery work. Cross stitch cross stitch heavy embroidery use pallu with the tassels same full work blouse plain. This is a variety shade rare shade. This color grey brown blend variety shade. Work same fair skin shade dark shade. This is a green blend blue shade. Video dark blue shade. Green blended shade. Work same light and dark combination. Full embroidery. This is pallu. Matka silk fabric. Fabric saree color shades full work with the ends tassels. Dark orchid. Pakka orchid color blend pattern same heavy flower bush embroidery work full pallu rate 1990 with free shipping. Last color olive green tone base green and totally 3 green combinations. This embroidery light dark combination embroidery different green and base this is pallu. Matka silk fabric saree blouse plain color shades rate 1990. Order WhatsApp number contact videos WhatsApp numbers different online executives number or already contact staff contact so collections. Thank you.